What if I told you that most of the health issues you are fighting right now, from brain fog and stubborn weight gain to constant bloating, aren't just getting older? They are signs that your body is literally drowning in acid. I spent years feeling sluggish until I discovered one simple truth. Your body is a chemical laboratory, and for 7 days I decided to change the chemistry. Today I am showing you the exact alkaline meal plan that reset my system, cleared my skin, and transformed my energy in just 1 week. No fluff, no expensive pills, just the science of pH. Let's dive in. What is the alkaline diet? The science. Before we get to the meal, we have to understand the way our bodies have a natural pH balance, specifically in our blood, which sits at about 7.35 to 7.45. This is slightly alkaline. The modern diet is an acid bomb. Sugar, processed flour, dairy, and heavy meats create an acidic environment. Now your body is smart. It will do anything to keep your blood pH stable. But to do that, it has to steal minerals like calcium and magnesium from your bone and organs. This is where the alkaline diet comes in. It is not about changing your blood pH. Your blood already does that. It's about reduce the workload on your system by eating foods that have an alkaline ash, mostly fruits, vegetables, and seeds. You stop the internal theft and allow your body to focus on healing instead of just surviving. The benefits, the way you should care. So, what actually happens when you go alkaline for 7 days? Reduce inflammation. Acidic diets are linked to chronic inflammation. By day 3, most people report that puffy feeling in their face and stomach disappear. Number 2, mental clarity. Have you ever had that 3 p.m. brain fog? That's often a result of blood sugar spikes and acidity. Alkaline foods provide a steady stream for minerals that keep your brain sharp. Number 3, bone health. As we mentioned, you are no longer leaching minerals from your skeleton system. Number 4, weight loss. This is not a starving diet, it's a nutrient density diet. When your cells get the minerals they need, your hunger hormones finally stabilize. How many of you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Let me know in the comments. That's usually the first sign your body is working too hard to balance its acidity. The 7-day transformation, the meal plan. Now let's get the food book special, the 7-day protocol. Morning routine daily. Start your day alkaline. Every single morning start the same. 16 ounces of warm water with half a fresh lemon or a few drops of apple cider vinegar. Why? This activates digestion and support detox pathway. I know lemon are acidic outside the body, but once metabolized, they are highly alkalizing. This flushes the kidney and prepare the gut. Try delaying tea or coffee by 30 minutes. Breakfast light and easy. Forget the toast and cereal. We are doing a liquid gold. Green smoothie, spinach, cucumber, ginger, lemon, fruit bowl, papaya, apple, berries, herbal tea, soaked almonds or walnut. Why? Light breakfast, less bloating plus better energy. This foods your bloodstream with chlorophyll. Lunch, meal. Plate rule, 70% vegetable, 30% plant protein. For lunch, we focus on volume. Huge salad with a base of kale or arugula. Add good fats like avocado and seeds. For the dressing, avoid bottled ones. Use cold pressed olive oil, lemon and sea salt. Steams vegetables plus quinoa, lentil or chickpea salad, vegetable soups. Why? These foods supply minerals that help neutralize acid load. Evening craving control. Options: herbal tea, 1 fruit, small handful of seeds. Why? Control stress, eating and sugar craving. Dinner, the mineral reset. Dinner should be easy to digest. Think steamed broccoli, roasted beets, or a healthy lentil soup. If you are not vegan, a small piece of wild catch fish is okay, but keep the plate 80% vegetables. Vegetable soup, stir-fry greens, simple salad with lemon plus olive oil. Eat 2-3 hours before sleep. Better digestion at night, better hormones. Before bed, optional. Chamomile or cinnamon tea. For sleep and recovery. How to make it work? Here's the secret to making this work without quitting on day 2. First, the 80-20 rule. You don't have to be 100% alkaline. Even getting to 80% make a massive difference. Second, hydration is king. Aim for 3 liters of filtered water. Third, watch the hidden acids. Coffee is high acidic. If you can't quit it, try cold brew which are slightly less acidic. Or better yet, switch to herbal ginger tea for these 7 days. Try and share 7 days. That is all it takes to feel that shift. My skin cleared up, my digestion became clockwork, and for the first time in years, I didn't need a nap at 2 pm. I want to challenge you, try this for just 3 days and come back to this video. Comment day 3 update and tell you how your energy feels. We are building a community here at The Food Book where we use food as medicine. If this video gives you value, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps you keep creating these deep dive health guides for you. Your body is your only true home. Take care of it. Ready for your next health upgrade? Click here to watch our video on the top 10 anti-inflammatory foods you should be eating every day. I will see you there.